Do you want to take your Instagram stories to next level? Hi, I'm Jenny from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make Instagram stories that last a full 60 seconds. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First, go to the Instagram. Swipe right to open camera. By default, you can post story of 60 seconds. But if you want to post reel of 60 seconds, then tap on reel. From the options on the left side, click on length. Now tap on 60. Now you can click 60 seconds of reel and post it on your story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.